But I'm like, it wasn't that.
That was
orange.
so weird.
I made it like a really bright orange. Don't say you're weird, are you? I made it like that orange.
Where'd you go?
Can you do that on this one?
Me?
No, no, it's not. I can.
Aww.
That's why
Excuse me.
It's not meowing properly anymore. It's
Put your arm. Last year, you know how Mosquito has really long arm hair?
Yeah.
Like really long?
Yeah, it's like 2 inches long.
yeah, same with like her hair on her head.
Yeah.
But some of her arm hair, and Tika, like in grade 8, so 2 years ago, everyone in her class and her, they would like, come up and her arms would down and everything, and they'd all like grab a pair of scissors and start cutting it off.
Yeah, apparently people like cut it off.
Yeah. That's mean. She was telling me, she's like, did you see the Steve's arm hair? I was like, yeah. Like, people cut it off, I was like, ew. Hi guys, do you like my foot?
I hate how when I turn my camera on, it automatically
Ow! Ow!
the lens thing goes at like 2 inches
As
as soon as I turn it on.
Is it licking you now?
I think.
I think. Ew. Close your bum hole. Aww.
Difficult.